Hey guys, let's see how you can download files from this mini body camera. This is the sports camera H88, so you can have your files downloaded via cell phone or via computer. Let me just start here showing you with the computer. So I have a regular computer with Windows, but you can use Mac as well. Then I have a cable that I can connect to the cable and to the computer. It's a USB-C to USB-C cable. You just need to come here and open the rubber flap. And there's a port to connect the cable. So the card is here. I have some videos inside, so I just connect here and then I connect to my computer. And you see the camera turns on, it vibrates, and the LED stays pink. Okay. And then here in the computer, I can just open on the Windows File Explorer and check my files. So I just come here and I see the driver available. I see the photos and the videos folders. So here, for example, I have a lot of them. Then I can just select any file that I want. Let's say this one, and I can copy and then paste here, for example, in the desktop. I come here, right click and paste. Basically, it's copying from the camera to my computer. And I just double click here and it starts playing. And that's the video from the camera. You see the quality is pretty good. And there we go. So I can just close this and right click to eject the camera. Okay, then I can just remove the cable from here and the camera turns off. And now to use the cell phone, I just need to turn the camera on again. So I press here and hold for 3 seconds and the camera LED stays blue, steady blue. But to connect to my cell phone, I need to use the Wi-Fi. And to enable the Wi-Fi, you just come here and press twice. There we go. And you see that starts flashing like this. And then I can have my camera connected to the cell phone. Let me just put the camera here. And I bring here the app. That's the one, Sports DV. You can download from your app store. Open this one and it's going to connect to the camera. But when you try to connect to the camera, it's going to let you know that you need to connect to the Wi-Fi first. So it comes here to this screen, but you don't need to do anything here, already sharing anything that it's available. So I just come here to the Wi-Fi, and from here I can search the camera. Sometimes it takes a while to load here. You just need to keep refreshing and taking a look until you see the camera. Just make sure that the camera is flashing. You see this flashing blue, so it's good to go. There we go, it shows up here. Then I just connect to the camera and come back to the app. Okay, the Sports DV app here. Just come back to it. There we go. And now you just hit play. And you see that's connected to the camera and it's live. And to see the videos, I just need to come here. And you see there's no file because I just need to come to the card. That's the card. And here I see the photos and video. I just select video. And if I want to download something, I just need to press download here. And it comes to the album on my cell phone. And I can also select here any file that I want. Let's say this one. Then I can delete. I just hit here and delete the video. Super simple. Let me just download this one. So I just hit here. And you see there's information that's downloading the video. And also the bar keeps moving here. And it's coming to my cell phone because it's connecting through the camera directly via Wi-Fi. So be aware that camera is not connecting to the router, it's not connecting to the internet, it's connecting only directly to the cell phone. In this moment, I don't have internet on my cell phone because it's connecting to the camera. So that's the limitation. Okay, so you see that finish it here. I just come back here to my camera and check the album and the videos there. So very, very simple. Basically, that's the way you can download the files and the videos from this mini body cam, sports camera H88. Okay, I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.